Okay, I've been asked what normal picking looks like, so I put on my glasses this time and going to go through the ABIS 55 series again, starting at the top with the 5560. I chose a little bit thicker hooks for the bigger ones, so we'll try those out. Alright, number one, I'll switch to a deeper hook. I don't know if you guys can hear, the kids are making a lot of noise. Okay, there's the 5560 open. Here's the 5550. Kids are crazy up there. Come on. Let's see, does that first one go higher or no? Yeah. That's another set. Get the tension in there a bit better. It's like an army marching around upstairs, constant pounding. I keep slipping off that pin as it gets near the top. Anyways, that's the 5550. So we'll do the 5540 next. Oh, sorry, 5545. Almost skipped the walk. 5545. Need a deeper hook. You could probably do it with the hook one, but it just takes a little bit more time and patience. Alright, there's the 5545, 5540. So these are 5545, and this one I think are 4-pin locks. Just checking to see if there's any spools I could preset before getting this front pin. Can I get the front pin? I switch to, I don't know why I keep trying to. No, I mean the hook one it'll work for everything. I like it. But this deeper hook seems good in these ABIS locks. Drop something up front probably. Oh, it's annoying to have to try to get this front pin every time I set a pin to find the next binder. Oh, is this little guy gonna hold me up? Nope. 5540. So 5530. Getting to our small guys. Dropped into our false set. Lost our false set. Got our false set back. Lost our false set. Got our false set back. Dropped our second pin again. Lost our false set. Got it back and open. And then the last one, the 5525. Little tiny dude. I don't know if he's in focus even. Sorry about that. There we go. Get my little hook. I might want to do this one bottom of keyway. There we got our. Oh, we got her open. And that's all the ABIS series again. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye.